Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You must stop if your intent is to alter live ammunition. That can break laws and create lethal risk. You are responsible for safety and compliance, so first confirm legal status and handling rules in your jurisdiction. Once done, make sure to switch focus to inert or decorative items only. You should contact a licensed gunsmith or a regulated plating service. They understand safe procedures and insurance requirements, and they can advise whether a cosmetic finish is lawful and feasible. For your specific part, you can achieve a chrome look without touching live rounds by using inert replicas, spent casings, or fabricated decorative pieces. If you want a durable metallic finish, hire a certified plating or finishing shop. They use controlled processes, ventilation, and PPE. Once you choose a service, make sure they provide a risk assessment and proof of liability coverage, and that they refuse to work on live ammunition. You should also request a written quote and an explanation of environmental and disposal practices. To finish safely, transfer any decorative work to a professional service and keep documentation of instructions and legal compliance. If you encounter unexpected contamination, chemical odor, or structural damage, immediately isolate the items, avoid heat or friction, and contact a professional for assessment. Do not attempt risky cleaning or repair yourself. One key troubleshooting tip: if the shop detects a safety or legal issue, follow their guidance to dispose of or return items. Preserve receipts and SDS forms to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.